Optima showcases AI Assist at Interpack Fair. It is an AI-based assistant especially designed for support the operators in the complex environment of pharmaceutical production. It brings the way we learn to interact with artificial intelligence directly to the machine. Artificial intelligence is an extremely versatile technology. It is able to process all kinds of data, such as images, sensor data, or even language. AI Assist knows our machines down to every detail. For example, on which of the 1,000 pages in the manual is exactly the information how to set up a light barrier. But that's not all. AI Assist can talk to the machine and knows immediately which alarm is currently active or which sensor is delivering a high value. This unique link to live data saves the operator a lot of time when facing a problem. Language barriers can also be reduced with on-the-fly translation in both directions. Operators can concentrate on their daily work with their specialist knowledge, and AI Assist empowers them.